The impact of sugar on your health and how to reduce it. Sugar, a sweet substance enjoyed by many, has become a ubiquitous part of our modern diet. While it adds flavor and sweetness to our foods and beverages, excessive consumption of sugar can have a detrimental impact on our health. In this article, we will delve into the effects of sugar on the body and explore effective ways to reduce sugar intake for a healthier lifestyle. The types of sugar. Sugar is a broad term that encompasses various types of sweeteners, including natural sugars found in fruits, fructose, and dairy products, lactose, as well as added sugars like sucrose, glucose, and high fructose corn syrup. Added sugars are prevalent in processed foods, soft drinks, sweets, and even some seemingly healthy products. The impact of sugar on health. 1. Weight gain and obesity. Excessive sugar consumption is strongly linked to weight gain and obesity. Sugar is dense in calories and lacks essential nutrients, making it easy to consume in excess without feeling satiated. High sugar intake can lead to an increase in overall caloric consumption, contributing to weight gain and obesity. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Consuming too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, blood sugar levels rise, potentially resulting in diabetes. 3. Heart disease. High sugar intake can negatively affect heart health by raising blood pressure, promoting inflammation, and increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Excessive sugar consumption is also associated with high levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood linked to heart problems. 4. Dental problems. Sugar is a major contributor to tooth decay and cavities. When we consume sugary foods or drinks, bacteria in the mouth feed on the sugar and produce acids that erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities and other dental issues. 5. Mood and mental health. Sugar can cause rapid spikes and subsequent crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to mood swings, irritability, and fatigue. Additionally, excessive sugar consumption has been associated with a higher risk of developing mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. Tips to reduce sugar intake. Read labels and be informed. Be vigilant about reading food labels to identify added sugars in products. Pay attention to the ingredient list and choose products with minimal or no added sugars. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and nuts. These foods contain natural sugars and essential nutrients, providing a healthier alternative to sugary processed foods. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and sugar content in your meals. Experiment with herbs, spices, and natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit to add flavor without the need for excessive sugar. Limit sugary drinks. Cut down on sugary beverages such as sodas, fruit juices, and energy drinks. Choose water, herbal teas, or infused water with fruits and herbs for a healthier and hydrating option. Be mindful of sauces and condiments. Many sauces, condiments, and dressings contain hidden sugars. Read labels carefully and opt for sugar-free or low-sugar alternatives. Consider making your own sauces using natural ingredients. Control sugar in desserts. When enjoying desserts, opt for those with natural sweeteners like fruit or use sugar substitutes. Additionally, try reducing the sugar content in dessert recipes or exploring healthier dessert options. Gradually reduce sugar intake. Instead of cutting out sugar abruptly, reduce your sugar intake gradually. This approach allows your taste buds to adjust, making it easier to adapt to a lower sugar diet. Conclusion: sugar, while enjoyable, can have significant adverse effects on our health when consumed in excess. It's crucial to be mindful of our sugar intake and make conscious choices to reduce it. By opting for whole foods, cooking at home, and being vigilant about added sugars in products, we can take steps towards a healthier lifestyle and mitigate the potential risks associated with high sugar consumption. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being.